Adobe has a really cool tool to help you in creating custom libraries, custom colors. It previously was known as Cooler. It was cooler.adobe.com, and Cooler is spelled K-U-L-E-R, Cooler Color. They've changed it. They've since changed it to just Adobe Color CC, which is color.adobe.com. And if you want to save things out, you should use your sign in with your Adobe account, and then this will allow me to take these libraries that I create and bring them into my account so I could bring them into Photoshop or Illustrator or whatever tool I'm using. So this is the Color website, and I can get great information on color. I can look at color themes. Let me go to Explore. These are themes that other individuals have uploaded. So this is a great source for creativity, for adding, gosh, what kind of color scheme do I want to use? Go out here and just be inspired. I can, like I say, download one of these themes. I can upload my own theme. And like I say, these are really great ways to access it via Photoshop or Illustrator or whatever tool you're using. So I'm going to go back to Create. So this is a great way that I can choose a color rule. So Analogous, remember Analogous are colors right next to each other. The cool thing here is I can take and rotate this, and if I go in, you can see what happens to my color less intense. If I go out, I get full intensity. And I can add and delete if I wanted to take away some of these so that it's not as many. I can certainly do that. And the cool thing, I get my RGB value and I get my hex number. So I can choose a color here and then put it in my website. So when I'm in Photoshop, I can have access to this, whether I want, these different color rules. I'm just going to show you. If you've taken color theory, you understand what some of these rules are. Let me go back to Photoshop and show you how I can access this in Photoshop. So back in Photoshop here, under your window, we have extensions. In older versions of Photoshop, you actually had a Cooler, K-U-L-E-R, that you could open up as a separate panel, and it was labeled K-U-L-E-R. Now, like I said, they call it Adobe Color. And so if I choose extensions in Adobe Color themes, a panel will open up, and it's going to be docked over here, kind of under your history. I'll pull this out so you can see this a bit better. So what this is very similar to what we just saw on the Color website. Again, I can explore. I can look at my themes that I've saved. And I can create. And again, I have my color rules here. So if I wanted it complementary, and I can move this around, I can take some of these and have different hues. I can desaturate things. Here I'm getting my CMYK, RGB, Lab, HSB, and Hex. And I'm seeing my values here as well, so I can adjust them if I'd like as well here. So my color theme, I can save this, and it saves to my cloud, and so then I can then access it, like I said. So this is a great tool for inspiration if you're dealing with a design that you're kind of lost and where to start with a color scheme. Check this out. I would say this is a great tool. Try to use it.